Claude Code just curated the design of an entire app with references, decisions and live deploys, all driven through the Opera Browser CLI in Opera Neon. Today, we're back on our web app and the goal is simple. Use Opera Browser CLI inside Opera Neon to let Claude Code curate a design taste by analyzing similar apps, asking us for our preferences and implementing everything straight into our app. Let's start first with asking Claude Code to find similar apps using the Opera Browser CLI, pull out design choices that could benefit ours, and curate everything into a design.md. After each website, it should share what stood out, give me options, and ask for my take before moving on. I go through the follow-up steps, and Opera Browser CLI opens our web app in the Neon browser. Opera Browser CLI opens the first reference, while Claude Code breaks down the entire visual system. It points out which ideas could strengthen our own web app and turns them into concrete design directions. The first question is about the hero background. None of the options feel right, so I tell Claude to move on. For the card icons, I go with abstract art, and for the hero mockup, I pick a journal UI and submit. Next, Opera Browser CLI opens calm.com, shifting the focus toward atmosphere and visual balance. This round is all about contrast and readability. I decide to keep the darker aesthetic consistent across the site while refining the gradients instead of increasing typography size. Headspace comes up next. But after quick analysis inside the Opera Browser CLI session, Claude realizes the visual language doesn't align strongly enough with our direction, so it moves on without forcing unnecessary inspiration. The Opera Browser CLI opens our next reference, Linear app, where Claude analyzes it and comes back with two key questions around layout and hero presentation. This time, I decide to let the journal UI bleed naturally into the page instead of containing it inside a strict frame. For the overall structure, I stick with a centered layout to keep everything grounded. After that, the Opera Browser CLI opens Framer.com inside Opera Neon and starts exploring more expressive visual treatments. For the cards, I go with a cosmic style gradient palette, and instead of keeping the journal preview minimal, I choose a more filled-in active UI state. Finally, Claude analyzes Superhuman. At this point, Claude already has enough context to create the full design system directly into a design.md, covering background direction, feature cards, hero treatment, layout behavior, journal previews, and visual hierarchy. Now it's implementation time. Claude pushes the changes, checks the Vercel deployment, and immediately catches a failing build. So I send it back through the Opera Browser CLI to debug the issue directly inside Vercel. One fix leads to another bug, but after tracking both down, the deployment finally goes green. Everything is now live. That's the Opera Browser CLI working in Neon browser. From design research and taste curation all the way to implementation and production fixes.